In this question, it is given that 7 power x equals 9 power y equals 3969, and we are asked to find the value of x plus y divided by xy. Also, it is mentioned that x and y are non-negative values. So first of all, let us equate 7 power x with 3969. So we can do one thing, we can write 7 power x whole power 1 by x equals 3969 whole power 1 by x. We are taking xth root of both the sides. So this will give us 7 is equal to 3969 whole power 1 upon x. Let us name this as equation 1. Similarly, we will equate 9 power y equal to 3969, and we will do the same thing. So 9 power y whole power 1 upon y will be equal to 3969 whole power 1 upon y. So from here, y and y will get cancelled, and we will get 9 is equal to 3969 whole power 1 upon y, and let us name this as equation number 2. Now we will multiply these two equations. So we can write 7 times 9 is equal to 3969 whole power 1 by x multiplied with 3969 whole power 1 upon y. So this will be 7 times 9, 63 is equal to, this can be written as 3969 whole power 1 by x plus 1 by y. Why? Because we know that we have a property a power m multiplied with a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So here we will get 63 is equal to 3969 whole power 1 plus x plus 1 upon y. Now let us further solve it here. So this will be 63 is equal to, now inside in place of 3969 we see that this is square of 63. 63 square is 3969, and here we can take LCM as xy, and it will be y plus x. Further we will get 63 is equal to 63 whole power, this 2 will get multiplied there. There will be 2 times y plus x upon xy. Y, again we know a property that a power m power n is equal to a power m into n. So that is why we multiplied 2 here. Now let us compare the powers of 63 on both sides. So here it is 1 on left hand side, on right hand side it is twice y plus x upon xy. So from here we can write 1 is equal to twice y plus x upon xy. Let us divide both sides by 2. So this will give us 1 by 2 equals, in place of y plus x, let us write x plus y divided by xy. And we were asked the value of x plus y divided by xy, which is 1 upon 2. So this value will be equal to 1 upon 2. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.